Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we're going to continue on with the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And so today we're going to do day 11 of the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. Because we're almost done, we've got just a couple days left, so we're almost done. So give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So this is day 11, so second to the last day. And this one is the scratch art. And I'm not a big fan of scratch art because it does make a big mess. And it's not that great. This one actually was not too bad. So let's see what we got here. There's a bunch of accoutrements that they included always. And I'm going to keep that little plastic bag that all that stuff came on. I'm going to keep that so that when I do the scratch art, all of the remains basically will stay on that little plastic bag and I can throw that away. So they give you a basic design to kind of look at and copy on the instructions. So that's what I'm doing here. And of course, you could make this look however you wanted to. This is your decor, right? You could have stripes and stars and mini Christmas trees. You could have Santa Claus, anything you want. I'm just going to copy what they showed because I'm not that creative to make a drawing. And as I'm going here, I'm just dumping what's on the piece of scratch art. I'm just dumping that in the garbage so that I try to minimize the mess that I'm making here. And I did figure out that I liked the bigger little, I don't know, decorations versus the small one that I made at the first part. And I'm just making this up as I go. They went way more detailed. I'm not doing all that detail. This is what I've got right now. This is what I got. And then they did again give that blue, grayish blue ribbon, and it actually matches this ornament, so I'm going to leave it. And they give this little orange topper to glue that on. And then, of course, they include a couple rhinestones, and as always, if you have anything from Dollar Tree that might fit in the rhinestone-wise, this would be a great time to add that. And then we'll put the little ribbon that they give us up on top. And that's it. They give you everything. It's so easy. They give you everything that you need. And again, it's cuter now that I look at it in the picture versus when I was doing it. It is better than I thought. So it's not too bad. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.